exceeded my expectations. But more importantly is, how did I even know about the product and how I come to Paradise? And the answer there is interesting. Wasn't even here. It was in the nearby city of Delray Beach. And we were bringing up a conversation like you asked about a patio, sitting around having barbecue. And I want to know, wait a minute, how come your windows have the same thing I do with the grills inside the glass, and you don't have any gunk in them? It's actually mold. And you get mold because of all the sprayers that are here. Well, I'm covered with it. That's all I got. I had it from the very... I was the first one to move in here. No previous owner. So he told me, and he says, you got to get the windows that you don't have to block up. He says, all these storm shutters I got, you don't need them. So I like that idea because my background being Air Force, my wife's background being airlines, there's a lot of times that we may not be here and the hurricane does want to come here. I don't have to worry about it no more. I don't have to pay someone to come down and close the windows or anything. That is the genius of stormproof. If they can hit 200 mile an hour or better, there's nothing's going to stand after all. This place would be desolate at 200 mile an hour. So the windows were absolutely great when they went in. The mess was none. They were very quiet. They were efficient. They did in less time than they said it would take. They brought the crew out right. They had enough people that were actually doing all the windows at the same time. They had 4 going in and had 4 guys on each window. So I thought it was going to be the problem of putting the windows in. It's taking the old windows out. You got to be careful. So they work, and no problems.